Welcome to the low mid budget watch report. And today I would like to say congratulations to the Swedish king, the greatest king of all time. He is 80 years old today, so it's a very big day in Sweden. So cheers to that. This is, by the way, alcohol free wine. It's liberated from alcohol, as it says on the bottle. Yes. And anyhow, today I'm going to unbox another Alibaba or AliExpress Daimond watch from the Daimond Watch Company, a dress watch that suits very well for the occasion of the king's birthday. So, well, yeah. Here we have the package. It's a bit broken. So the box sucks as usual when ordering Alibaba or AliExpress watches, but the price is phenomenal. I bought this one for in dollar around $20 or €20. So very cheap, and it comes with a label. It says Daimond. It's from the Daimond company in Shanghai. So yeah, and I have two of these in different models. I don't even know if it's from the same if it's from the same factory, but I guess so. And I can measure it quickly, but I'm almost certain that it is 35 millimeters. Yeah, it's around 35 millimeters. And yeah, it actually looks nice, and I can feel that this is, I don't know if the back is stainless steel. I don't think so. I think this whole watch is made out of brass, and it's says genuine leather, so it is not leather, it's some other material. And the genuine leather with these type of Alibaba or AliExpress watches are always very stiff in the beginning, so it feels very stiff. They are very hard. And yeah, the movements started to move when I unboxed this one. So I guess it's both. You can wind it manually, or just have it moves by just hand movement. I will wind it up and see if I can get. Yeah, I'm actually surprised by these Alibaba and AliExpress mechanical or automatic watches. Some of them are fully automatic and some are just manually winded. But I'm actually surprised how good they keep the time. And all of my Alibaba or AliExpress watches from the Daimond company still works and are pretty reliable. But yeah, as I told you, this is not steel, it is brass. So I'm not going to wear this when it's raining outside or when I do the dishes. I think, I don't know, I don't know what. I think it's mineral glass. Well, it looks pretty nice, and yeah, it's a cool dress watch. I don't know if I have too much to say about this watch, but you can get them if you don't. There are some cool Timex mechanical watch that you can buy that looks almost the same, but they have steel cases, and I guess they will last for longer. But if you just need a dress watch and you can wait around, I believe this one took me 3 or 2 months to get. So yeah, if you have a if you can wait for the watch for a long time, and also if you want to spend as little money as possible, you can buy one of these. I have three by now, and this one looks pretty cool. So yeah. It says Shanghai on the dial, and there are some Chinese letters on the back. Shanghai Shubao Chang. Yeah. Very nice for just $20. Makes you wanna holla. And this is how the watch looks up close. And yeah, I promise you, there is no loom on this one. So yeah. That's it, watch bros. So I have to say, for $20, you can't get a better watch than this. So this is the $20 or $30, whatever you pay in your country to get it to your address. It is the cheapest, the best. What you say? Buck for bang, bang for bucks, bang for bucks. The best bang for bucks you can get. This is the most, the best you can get for $20. There's no competition. So yeah, the Shanghai, the Daimond company always deliver, and I this is not like what's that other brand called? What the heck is the other brand? I ordered some AliExpress brand that was totally crap, but I don't remember the name. It was a totally crap brand, and it was also automatic watches, and it looked really good. I think I have the broken one. I'll have to look. I think I have the, yeah. This I still have the broken. Yes, the Pagani design. Those watches really sucks. They always come, not always, but they come broken, and they are just shit. So I rather buy a cheap watch from the Daimond company than a Pagani design. So yeah, I can really recommend this one. And yeah, I don't have much to tell about it because it's like the other Daimond watches, but it's a very, very, very nice dress watch. Never disappoints me. So for $20, that is. So watches from the Daimond company. I don't know if it's even the real Daimond company, but it says it's from the Daimond company, and they really work really well. So yeah, for a $20 watch. That's all for today. Peace out.